Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Self. So guys, in the last time we have created our blog website. Now we have come to our Panther website and then click on the login button to log in with your Google ID. So I have logged into my Pantheon and now we will go to our sites in which our website we have created. So now there are two websites. In the last video, we have created a blog website link. So click on this and then come to your uh, site or admin panel of WordPress. So here it will ask for a username and password that you have entered in the last video. So then if you have remembered it, enter it and okay. So I have directly logged into my WordPress. So you have already know about this section and the things we have learned in the video of portfolio codes. So here we have deleted some of the pages that we don't want. So now what we'll set up in this video, we will set up our blog website theme that we are using it in this codes. So first come to your appearance. So if you don't want to making it your website from scratch, so we can use any type of a theme from here so that it will be gives us a starter template for creating our website. So here are most of the themes, but we will select a new or from external theme. So click on add new and here you will get more than multiple different websites and themes. So firstly we will search for the Zakra theme. So Zakra is a popular theme in WordPress that we will use in this course. So install this Zakra theme and then click on activate. So when you have installed it, it will show you its customize option here and also welcome. Thank you for choosing Zakra. So here it will give you a button for get started with Zakra. So Zakra is a theme that allows you to select multiple different templates from it. If you click on this blue button, get started with Zakra, click on this, you will see multiple themes in the Zakra and you have to select one of them. So here are multiple themes that you can use for your website development. Some of the themes are premium so that you can't uh, use it because it's not free, but some of them has free themes also. So here we will use the first theme that is Agent 03. So click on import and then click on confirm so that it will select this theme for your website. Let's wait. So now our theme is completely installed and then we will click on live preview. So when we'll click on this live preview, a new tab will be open in and this is our theme is successfully installed in our website and it's directly in the our blog website link. So now we have uh, to edit this website according to our design and strategy so that we can make this website a better blog website for our coding. So now we will come up to our WordPress editor. So here, after when you will import this theme in your WordPress, firstly we will come on themes and then here will be option for customize, right? click on the customize button, and then you will come to the customize editor. So there are different types of editors in WordPress. So this is the editor for themes, which we are using it. And so here we will step by step explore all the features of this editor. So firstly, there is a global. Click on it, and here is the option for colors, background, layout, typography, and button. So in colors, there are as different colors for background and text color. If we change it, it will be applied to our website also. Like this. This is for the text color. So let's create as the same. And then this is the yeah primary color. So it is primary color will be applied on, I think it's not applying on any. It's applicable on images. So stay back and border color. So we'll click on publish to save our changes. Now come to back and link colors. Link colors is the colors whenever we will add a link in our website. So we have explored the colors. Now it's time to see the background. Background, like here is a background color. If we change it to black, it will be applied to a whole website, and sections who have the background color will be black. So now we will select it to white again, and here is the image for background image. We can try to add the image here. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Let's select this and see this what happens when we are adding an image. So the image is applied to the whole website. So we will remove it because we don't want that image to apply on the whole website. We will change it later. We are just exploring how this editor works and what changes we make in the website. So here is another thing is layout and container. Container. Not yet. So then here we can change the layout of our website. We select this as it will affect some of the major changes in our web container with and other things. Like here is the sidebar layout. Yeah. Let's try to changing some different things, and then here is the final typography. So in the short, you can see that the all the changes we will make in this global, it will be applied to the whole website. And then here is the next thing, that is header. Header, here first one is a header media. It seems that it is for the changing the videos and audios of the header section. If we'll add a image here, it will be applied to our header. Like this. So like this, it is applied to our header. We want to remove this and come back to our other header top bar. Enable top bar is for adding the one more header at the top. Now we will just keep all of the things in enable search icon. So we are not adding a search functionality in the website now. So we will close this. So it will remove the search icon from our header and then click on published. So here it is for adding the background image to the header. Now we will come to our header button. So we don't want this download button in our header. So we will remove that button text and uh, one link in a new tab, this closes. So it will automatically remove that download button from this area. So after removing this, again, Friends. ऐसे पिलाते रुक जाओ. So after this, we will come to our last menu. So here are the different menus that we can add or menus. So primary menu, and it is for editing our menu, different menu. So you can explore this later on. Now we will just focus on some of the minor changes in this website. Then click on content. Here is the page header. We'll add blog achieve. Now after making these changes, we will click on WooCommerce because WooCommerce has a checkout and we don't want that checkout. Okay, so this is the checkout button. Okay, so let's close this editor and now come to your pages. When you will come to your pages, you will see most some different pages here. So so here are most of the pages we don't want, so that we will remove it because we are creating a blog website. So in blog website there is the now need to add a shop page. So click on this, refund and returns also, this also, and my account. Remove okay, remove this also. I think my account should be there in a blog website. Home, contact, and checkout we don't want. Cart section we don't want, and blog and about sections are the important. So this of the pages which we have to remove. So that select it and then bulk action. Click on this bulk action and select move cache and then click on apply to remove this all the pages. Now there are only five pages. One is the home page, second contact, third blog, and the fourth one is about, and page for our account, or we can say my account. So we have created these changes in make the changes in your website also. And now come to your this link dev blog in your name.pentheon site and refresh this website. Now the changes which we have created in our website are perfectly applied. Now there is only 4 pages, and this we will have to remove this icon. We will remove it in the next video. So firstly, we have created almost we have done all the changes in our website. So now meet you in the next video, and we will see what we can make changes in our this website. Like we will customize this whole page in the next video. So stay tuned, and firstly click on the subscribe button, and then also the bell icon, so that you will get all updates of my YouTube channels.